So for this one, we're looking at figuring out the overall shape, and the first thing we're going to need to do is figure out the Lewis structure for this. So SBR4, the valence electrons are going to be 6 plus 4 times 7. The 6 is the grouping on the sulfur, the 7 is the grouping on the bromine on the periodic table. This comes out to be 34. So the first thing I'll do is join the bromines to the sulfur. This will use up 8 electrons. Each of these bonds here represents 2 electrons. And then what I'll do is I'll put another 6 electrons on each of these bromines to bring them up to 8. Once I've done that, I've now used 32, so you can count them up here. Each of these has 8 and there's 4 of them. 4 times 8 is 32. That means there's 2 left over because I need to use 34. Those 2 will go on the sulfur. Now we're looking for overall shape, and that means that everything that I'm going to be circling here is going to end up taking up space. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 atoms and then a lone pair of electrons. That's a total of 5 things that are connected to the sulfur, and all those things will influence the overall shape. Now what I will do is access the molecular geometry sheet. You'll have this with the test, and I recommend you use this while you're doing the quiz as well. And you'll see that the one that has 5 objects around it would be this one here, the trigonal pyramidal, the one I'm circling right now with the cursor. And that one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 objects. I know that they're not all lone pairs, but what we're doing is we're sort of saying that pretending that everything is just an atom here, so we can see how many objects there are around it, and that will give us the overall shape, which in this case is going to be trigonal bipyramidal. So that will be our answer for that one there.